before the thunderstorm. The thunderstorm's clouds are gathering right now. The fruit trees in the awaiting one of the first thunderstorms of the season. You can see this is how it looks like. Actually, I'll just give you a quick little tiny update on the fruit trees while we're waiting for this thunderstorm. We have these really warm temperatures. That pear tree's almost breaking buds. Other two trees aren't as good, but we turn around, you can see there the ominous clouds are, and ominous they are. At this point, it seems like it won't miss us, but it might. We'll just have to wait and see. But starting to rain right now, very lightly, but that's, you know, not much. So I decided to show you guys the radar. We are right where this mouse is. Hopefully you see that, right below Morton Grove. And that is the storm. Looks to be like a direct hit to me. Nothing too severe, but definitely some heavy rain. It's upon us. Hopefully you can hear that. It's really raining right now. Not the hardest I've seen, but definitely some heavy rain. I thought it was over. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. I went in home because I thought it was over. Look at that. Holy cow. Wow. It's blowing. Holy smokes. That's powerful. Look at that off the roof. Absolutely getting blasted. Lightning. Flooded right there. Oh my god, I love this type of weather. Look at that, 5 minutes after the thunderstorm. Look at that blue sky. It's gonna be a gorgeous evening, absolutely gorgeous. There's the thunderstorm. Once in a while it's still thundering. Wow, that last wave caught me by surprise. Look at all this flooding. It was powerful, to say the very least. Beautiful, gorgeous thunderstorm.